Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. In the world of sales, speed is the only currency that truly matters. We've all been there. You're on a great discovery call with a prospect, the energy is high, they are ready to buy, and they ask that one vital question: can you send me a quote? Traditionally, that's where the momentum dies. You hang up, you open a blank spreadsheet, you manually calculate the taxes and discounts, you copy-paste their name, you save it as a PDF, and then you spend 20 minutes drafting an email. By the time that quote hits their inbox 3 hours later, or worse, the next morning, the prospect has cooled off, or even worse, they've already received a quote from your competitor. Today we are going to fix your leaking sales funnel. I'm going to show you how to build a high-speed sales automation engine. We're going to use Smart Form Publisher to create a workflow where you enter the client's needs into a Google form while you're still on the phone, and a professional, calculated, branded PDF quote is delivered to their inbox before you even say goodbye. Let's build a system that closes deals while you sleep. The heart of a professional quote isn't just the design, it's the math. For this workflow, we are choosing Google Sheets as our template canvas instead of a doc. Why? Because Google Sheets is a calculation engine. We want this document to do the heavy lifting for us, so we never have to touch a calculator again. Look at our template here. I've spent time making this look like a high-end corporate invoice. But notice the magic in the cells. Instead of numbers, I've typed quantity and unit_price. These are our markers. Now look at the total cell. I've written a standard Google Sheets formula that multiplies the quantity by the price and adds the sales tax. Because Smart Form Publisher is natively integrated with Workspace, when the form data fills those markers, the sheet triggers the formulas instantly. The result is a 100% accurate, error-free quote every single time. No more embarrassing math mistakes in front of a client. Now let's connect our discovery form to our calculation engine. I'm opening the Smart Form Publisher sidebar. First, we link our master sales quote sheet. But here is where we add the professional polish. Under Output Settings, we are selecting PDF. You never want to send a client an editable spreadsheet. A PDF is the industry standard for security and branding. Next, pay attention to the file naming section. If you generate 100 quotes a month and they are all named Document 1, your Google Drive will be a disaster. I'm setting our naming convention to quote underscore, followed by the client underscore name marker and a date tag. This makes your quotes instantly searchable. Finally, we configure the delivery. In mail settings, we address the email to the respondent's email field and use markers in the body of the message. This ensures that even though the process is automated, the email feels warm, personal, and human. Let's see the payoff. Imagine I'm on the phone with Acme Corp. I'm asking them about their needs, and as they speak, I'm typing their data into my Google form. I hit submit as we are wrapping up the call. In the background, Smart Form Publisher is opening our sheet, injecting the data, waiting for the formulas to calculate, converting the whole thing to a beautiful PDF, and filing it in our drive. And look at the client's inbox. The email has arrived. Hi Acme Corp, it was great speaking with you. We opened the PDF, and there it is. The math is perfect, the branding is sharp, and the speed is incredible. Usually, a client expects this in a few hours. Getting it in a few seconds creates a massive wow factor that sets the tone for your entire professional relationship. By automating your sales quotes and legal agreements, you aren't just saving time, you're increasing your closing rate. You've removed the friction from the buying process. You've eliminated the human error that leads to legal disputes. And most importantly, you've freed up your sales team to spend their time talking to people, not fighting with spreadsheets. This is how high-growth companies scale. If you're ready to professionalize your sales deck and close deals faster, head over to gwaddons.com and install Smart Form Publisher. It's available right now on the Google Workspace Marketplace. Start your free trial today and watch your funnel grow. Thanks for watching this masterclass, and I'll see you in the next one.